If you're thinking about retirement and wondering if you have enough money saved up or if you're on the right track, then you've come to the right place. Stay with us till the end, and we are going to do a review of the best free retirement planner online today, the Empower Retirement Planner. So let's get started. All you need to do, sign up for a free account with Empower. Put in a little bit of information. And if you'd like, you can link any or all of your investment, financial, debt accounts and get a picture of your net worth right here. If you don't want to do that, just input manually whatever financial information you would like. Linking or manual input. Super easy. Then, after you have done that, you go to your planning section and go to the retirement planner. Now, I'm using a dummy account. Obviously, this is not my real account. Just to show you how the retirement planner works. I've already put in some scenarios, but I'm going to show you how you can change them to find out what impact different spending or savings events will have on your retirement picture. So let's do a drill down. Here's the picture of the retirement planner. Make this a little bit, I think the size is okay. So here's what I have put in already, so you understand that. I've synced with the linked account. And again, remember, dummy account, not my real account. And the current savings is $509,000. I've input that I will save $15,000 a year. Now, if you want to change that amount, feel free to do so. It's easy as pie. And I've also chosen to increase my savings above inflation 3.5%. You could change that too with a slider. If you want to make any changes, feel free to do that. Then every time you make a change, a new scenario will come up and integrate all of the inputs that you've put in and go through many different Monte Carlo analyses to come up with your retirement planner. I've also added Social Security. I've added a $40,000 Social Security amount. You could change that if you want to. You don't have to. You can click in this little box right here and sync with your Social Security estimate. I selected a starting Social Security age at 67. I can change that. Let's see if I change it up. Let's change it up just a little. Let's change up the Social Security to age 68. And then we'll save it. Now you'll see the scenario change a little bit. Then I've already put in my spending goals. I am assuming that I retire at age 70 and I spend $7,000 a month in retirement. That equals about $84,000 a year. I've also input that my spending will decrease about 0.5% per year with a spending minimum of $80,000. And the reason for that is I'm not going to be able to do what I want to do at age 80 as I am at age 70, so I'll be expecting to spend less at that point. Now, if you're not comfortable with that, you can change this slider too. Change it to 0 and just leave it there. We'll save that and see how that impacts our retirement calculations. Then, of course, I put in a vacation. Who doesn't want a vacation when they're in their retirement? So I put in this spending goal of $6,000 a year on vacation, and I want to go every year for a vacation. Starting age 70, I want to go for 12 years. But again, I can change any of these inputs here. And I save them right here. Just so you know, here are the choices of changes and estimates that you can make. If you want to change your income events, you can add in annuity income, inheritance, pension income, rental income, sale of property, work during retirement. I don't know about you, but many of us like to work during retirement just to get a couple of extra bucks in. If you think you'll earn a few $1,000s a year per retirement for a couple of years, put that in. And then any other income events you'd like. Now, what about spending? Let's say you think you want to spend a little more or less. You can go here and change your spending goals. You're feeling charitable, change your charity amount each year. Got to care for a kid or a mom or dad, change dependent support, education, healthcare, home purchase or upgrade, renovation, vacation, vehicle, wedding, or other expense. You can add in all sorts of spending goals and see how they will impact your retirement scenario. For now, we will stick with the current inputs that I put in. And here is the crux of our retirement plan. Now, according to the Empower Retirement, again, free retirement calculator, I have an 87% chance of reaching my retirement goals. And the dark blue is the medium amount of money that I will be expected to have throughout from today at age 42 on up to age 92. And the light blue underneath is worst case scenario, and that is the worst 10% projected outcomes. So even in worst case scenario, at age 70, I will still have between $1.1 million, on down to less. And my money will still last me in worst case scenario quite a while. Now, if I want to make some improvements and I feel like, well, this is okay, but I think I want to try and do better. So I go to the improvements section, and there are improvements I can make, such as I can lower my tax bill, reinvest savings to increase after-tax returns. Now, I already reinvest my savings, so I'm doing okay on that. And then we go over here for more suggestions, and I love this tab because there are more alternatives to how I can improve my retirement picture. They look at my investment portfolio, which, as you remember, I input here either by linking or by manually inputting. And according to the Empower system, I can change my actual asset allocation to reduce the risk without sacrificing my returns, according to Empower. So they make recommendations on how I can change my asset allocation if you delve into the portfolio. They can also give suggestions on how to lower my tax bill and reinvest savings to increase after-tax returns. Now, if I want to schedule a call and talk to a free financial advisor, I get one free call. And if I have over $100,000 in assets, I also get the opportunity to speak with a financial advisor and get a free plan. Now, I've already done that, and it's a very helpful and useful tool. All you have to do is sign up below and with the link below, and you can schedule a call. If you have any questions, leave them in the link below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.